Every new royal water tap begins with metal that once had another life.
The first challenge is separating valuable brass from everything that does not belong.
Anything that could contaminate the melt must be removed before recycling begins. Heavy brass components are gathered together for their journey into the recycling plant. From the scrapyard, the sorted metal moves into the controlled recycling process. Inside the factory, every batch is received and prepared for controlled processing. Before processing, the material is checked to ensure the batch contains the right metal. Once approved, the old brass enters the first mechanical cleaning stage. Years of dirt and residue must be stripped away before the brass can be transformed. Now the old brass is ready for its first transformation, from scrap into reusable industrial metal. Mechanical cleaning removes years of dirt and surface contamination from the recovered brass. The cleaned material now moves toward another critical separation stage. Even tiny steel contaminants are removed before the valuable brass reaches the furnace.
Human inspection provides the final check before the scrap enters high-temperature processing.
Each batch is weighed and recorded so the melting process can be precisely controlled.
With the batch prepared, the recovered brass is ready to return to a molten state.
Controlled heat gradually turns the solid scrap into a uniform molten metal.
Old taps and fittings are fed into the furnace, where heat will separate their past from their future.
Temperature control is critical because the final tap depends on consistent brass quality.
The recycled brass is now ready to leave the furnace and become the foundation of a new royal water tap.
Each batch is weighed and recorded so the melting process can be precisely controlled.
With the batch prepared, the recovered brass is ready to return to a molten state. Old taps and fittings are fed into the furnace, where heat will separate their past from their future.
Controlled heat gradually turns the solid scrap into a uniform molten metal. Temperature control is critical because the final tap depends on consistent brass quality. The mold opens to reveal a rough tap body that still needs extensive finishing. Excess metal is removed and returned to the recycling stream instead of being wasted.
Grinding removes rough edges and prepares the brass surface for precision machining.
Only sound castings move forward into the precision manufacturing line. Now precision machines begin turning the rough casting into the exact geometry of a royal water tap. Precision machining transforms the rough casting into an accurate tap body.
Internal passages are drilled precisely to guide water through the finished fitting. Exact threads allow the finished tap to connect securely to plumbing components. The distinctive spout is shaped with the same controlled precision.
Every opening is machined to precise dimensions for reliable assembly.
Deburring removes sharp edges and prepares every surface for cleaning. A high-pressure wash removes the last traces of machining debris.
Precision inspection confirms that every critical dimension meets the production specification.
Clean, dry castings are now ready for precision inspection.
With its geometry complete, the recycled brass tap moves into the finishing line.
The finishing process begins by smoothing the marks left by precision machining.
Progressively finer polishing brings out the natural brilliance of the brass. Every edge and opening receives careful attention before surface treatment. Polishing compounds and oils are removed so the final surface can be treated evenly.
A controlled rinse removes the remaining cleaning solution from every surface.
A perfectly clean and dry surface is essential for consistent finishing. Each tap is secured individually, so its final surface treatment remains uniform.
A controlled protective finish gives the tap its durable appearance and helps protect the surface.
Controlled curing stabilizes the finish before the tap reaches final inspection.
The transformation is nearly complete, but every finished tap still has to prove its quality. Before packaging, every finished tap must pass a final series of quality checks.
A careful visual inspection catches defects that machines may not detect.
Critical dimensions are verified against the required manufacturing tolerances.
Connection points are checked to ensure proper installation and reliable fit.
Next, the tap must withstand controlled internal water pressure.
Stable pressure confirms that the body and connections are properly sealed.
Controlled flow testing confirms that water moves correctly through the finished tap.
The operating mechanism is tested repeatedly for smooth and dependable movement.
Material testing verifies that the recycled brass meets the required production specification.
After passing inspection, the recycled brass taps are cleared for final assembly, packaging, and dispatch.
Every shipment receives identification, so its production batch can be traced.
Finished taps are organized onto pallets for efficient warehouse handling.
From production, the finished taps move into organized storage, awaiting dispatch. The recycled brass has completed its journey and is now ready to leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories recycle old brass scrap into a new Royal water tap from start to finish.